Hey, how y'all doing? We out here at a property. We're gonna do a no money, no credit deal and make about $40,000. The purpose of this video is how to evaluate and assess a property for damages. So looking at this property here, we have a 2-bedroom ranch with a 3-car garage. So just looking at the front, you know you're gonna do a landscaping. Okay, landscaping should run you roughly $1,000. Clean up all the leaves, trim all the bushes, put some mulch down, just make it look real pretty and nice. You're gonna put a nice front door here. So you should have a sheet, you know, that I will give you in my program that breaks down everything that you're gonna be doing to a property to sell it within the first week. So right off the bat, we know we need a nice front door, nice screen door. We need all new windows. I normally count $300 a window, okay? With a big picture window like this, this would be considered 3 windows. So that's $900, all right? Now let's look at the roof. Okay. I don't know if you can really see the roof. The roof, the shingles are not crumbling. It's not that bad. And it's only 1 layer on this roof. So just for it to make it look good, we're gonna run some new shingles on top of the existing shingles. Okay, if that makes any sense. You can put up to 3 layers of shingles legally on a roof. So we're gonna walk around here to the back. We got more of the landscaping. You know, if there's enough spread in the house, this driveway here can be repaved, but I'm probably not gonna do that. Here you have 2 garage doors. Garage doors here in my area is around $1,000 about. For 2-car garage door, you're looking at with garage opener, $1,000. This one here, you're looking at about $500. You got $1,500 right there. You got your roof, you got your windows. Go around, count all your windows, and just times it by $300. These doors here, you can go with some cheap doors, maybe $100 a piece. It's the back of the house, who cares? Got more landscaping to do, more yard cleanup. And that's pretty much it for the outside. You look at your meter, make sure your meter is good. See if it's not old or outdated, so we don't have to upgrade that. We good there. So let's go inside and see what we have. So here we are inside of the property. All right. This is a family room. So all you're gonna do is paint and carpet. And you know, paint, carpet, got some light fixtures. That's nothing. You're already doing the windows, so you already included that. Of course, you're gonna clean it out. That's gonna be one price. So the clean out is gonna be one price. You're gonna gut the house. That's usually around $2,000. You hire people that are at $10 an hour. You rent 2 dumpsters. You shouldn't spend over $1,500. Now you're in the little dining area. So you take your square footage of the floor, okay, length times width. If you're gonna go with laminate, so times that by the price of the laminate. So we got 200 square feet, and our budget is $2 a foot. what we'll do is, add that up. That's the price of our flooring for here. And here you have this kitchen. I'm kind of confused on what I want to do to this kitchen, but typically in the kitchen, you spend $8,000 to $10,000. That include all new cabinets, appliances, flooring, light fixtures, everything. So I just write down $10,000 for my kitchen, okay? This is a typical kitchen. Put some light on there, if you can. Now with this kitchen, you have some nice wood cabinets. So you can reface these, you can sand them down and restain them different colors, which can save you some money. Or you can just gut the whole and just put a new countertop, new appliances, new handles. You put granite, you'll do the double bowl sink. And that will make this kitchen look grand. You put a nice new floor down, new appliances, and then everything will look good. You got a nice fireplace here, so this will still look beautiful. So this is a half bath that we're looking at now. Okay. You can stain this or you can gut it. But typically on a half bath, I'll do just a $1,500 budget, maybe $1,000. So that'd be gutting this, new drywall, new vanity, new toilet, new floor. And that's it. You got a laundry room here. You pretty much can keep this the same. Just paint, flooring, that's it. I'm gonna head over to the bedrooms. This is the rest of the living room here. Maybe add some recessed lights. That's like $40, $50 a light, including labor, material. That's it. Head over to the master bath. So my budget in the master bathroom is $2,500. You gut this boy out, new vanity, new toilet, new flooring, and then you tile the tubs around, and that's it. I'll add some lights in this joker, some new recessed lights there, and that's it, $2,500. Master bedroom, same old, paint, carpet, new light fixture, new plugs, plug covers, same thing here. We have a little mold in here, so we gotta fix that. And that's it. Hey, listen, we here at a flip where I'm gonna do no money, no credit, and we're gonna make about $35,000 to $45,000 on this flip, okay? So I'm bringing you this video to show you how to walk through a property and assess the damages, okay? Because you cannot make any money if you don't know what the property is worth and how much it's gonna cost to fix it, okay? Those are two important elements to buying a property. Knowing the repair cost and the after repair value helps you make a decent offer where you're able to make 20% of the sales price. So if this house sells for $200,000, I should make $40,000, okay? At a minimum, after I pay everybody, realtors, closing costs and everything like that. So I'm bringing you this video because you need to know how I calculate my repairs. So we are here in front of the kitchen. This kitchen, like I said, we do a straight budget of 8 to 10,000, depending on what I want to do to the kitchen. Okay. Bedroom is just carpet and paint, light fixture. Light fixture is $10 to $15. Carpet is normally $1 a yard, something like that. Bathrooms, $2,500 for a full bathroom, $1,000 for a half bathroom. Roofs, don't pay over $300 a square. Okay. This roof here is approximately 30 squares. Okay, it could be a little more, it could be a little less. My roofer charged me $230 a square. So we will be doing a re-roof on the property, but I'm not going to replace the roof. I'm just going to re-shingle over the existing shingles there, because the wood under the shingles are good. The shingles are not crumbling or spreading apart. So it's only one layer on the roof, so you can go up to 3 layers on a roof. So we're just going to go over the roof, save us about $3,000 or $4,000. What else is important? You know, the garage doors, typically $1,000 for a 2-car, $500 for a 1-car. What else? Paint. Paint is around $1.50 to $2 a square foot. Okay, don't let anybody rob you. Drywall is $1 to $1.50 a square foot. You know, and if you have a bigger kitchen, this is for your typical size 12 to 1,500 square foot house, or maybe 2,000 square foot house. If you have a huge kitchen, maybe you can't budget the 10,000. Maybe the other way to measure a kitchen is to measure the linear foot. So you measure the cabinets, the countertop by the linear foot. That's left to right, you measure it. You take that number and times it by $200. That gives you your price for your cabinets for that kitchen. Okay. Granite is normally $40 to $50, and it goes up higher, but I'm not paying over $40 a square foot for granite. Okay. So measure length times width for granite, that's your square footage, times that by 40. Okay. Tile is typically I buy top to $2 a square, $2 a square foot. The labor is $6 a square foot. Okay. So if you do tile, just all in, just say $10 to $12 a square foot. That gives you your backer board, your tile, and the labor for a tile. Okay. Appliances are normally $2,000, $2,500 at Home Depot. I always catch a sale. You get the microwave, stove, dishwasher, refrigerator, 36-inch refrigerator, about $2,200. What else? Electrical. Okay, you're gonna want to upgrade the plugs and switches and stuff like that. Usually $10, depending on who you do. If you get a true electrician to change your switches and plugs, if you're licensed, you're looking at $30, $40 a plug and switch. If he's just, electrician, by nature, you're looking at $10 a plug or a switch. A lot of stuff I learned to do myself to cut costs. That's easy, even though that's not how you do the business. You should be out finding deals, but to each his own. I like to do some of the work because I like to get hands-on. I like to learn the stuff. So I change my own plugs and switches and stuff, for free. So you might want to do the same thing. Light fixtures are very easy to hang. Plugs and switches are very easy to change. There's a lot of things I do around the house that I like to do. I like to do my own tile. So you don't have to, but it don't hurt. Sometimes you might be in between flips and you can pick up one of these trades and start making you some money on the side. It's kind of cold in here, my nose running, so I'm gonna wrap this video up because I'm freezing. But this house, we closing on this house in about 2 weeks. Kind of excited. I get excited every time I do a flip, but Oh, laminate. Laminate is I buy laminate a dollar a foot. This house I'm gonna go a little bit higher, maybe $2 a foot. To install it is $2 a foot. So you're looking at $4 to $5 a foot. That includes everything: laminate, the underlayment, and the labor for laminate. So just do length times width on the laminate. Okay. If I missed anything, leave a comment. I have a sheet. You know, when you get my program, I have a sheet that I give you. You have everything on your doors, plumbing, electricity. If you rewire the house. Only thing I don't have on there is framing. You know, if you got to frame something. But that's it. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, like, share. Y'all know what to do. See you on the next flip.